Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily do a factory reset on your Nothing Headphones 1. At first we need to find the Bluetooth button, which is over here as you can see. And we have to hold this button until we see this LED light blinking red 3 times. It should take about 10 seconds. Wait a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, and 3. And now our hard reset is done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.